good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm great. How about you?
Yes, I am also fine. Thank you for asking.
Okay, you're welcome. Because we're meeting at the first time. I got you from your YouTube channel, and you speak fluently in English. And today we're gonna have an English conversation. Actually, a spoken English conversation. English is just a language. You have to try it. So first of all, we're gonna go through introduction part. So I'm gonna give my introduction to you. So,
Yeah,
Mehzabin, about my qualification, if you tell I'm just in class 6 in a Bengali medium school. Actually, I'm from Bangladesh. And, for Bengali medium student, we suffer a lot of problem, actually not problem, issues that you can remember of. Like in a Bengali medium school, we don't have actually the environment of speaking. But in English medium school, a little bit, but not English medium student also could speak English fluently. There few of them are because English medium school and Bengali medium school had no difference. They're just same in curriculum. Not actually in curriculum, they're same, just in English and Bengali. And actually, I started English from class 3 about my hobby. You can tell I'm a book lover. I love to read books, and actually, I love to read self-help books, story books as a kid. And I love to watch English cartoons, English movies, motivational movies, actually. And currently, actually, I'm just over the moon to meet with you.
yeah,
So that's all about myself.
yeah. My name is Raghunath from Odisha, India. You know, yes.
Yeah,
And
India.
yeah, I have done my postgraduate. If I talk about my education, I have done my postgraduate in English literature, and now I am working as a government job. Yeah, Odisha police. You can say. Yeah, and I have a joint family. I have one child for 6 year old, and I have a wife and mothers and brother also. Yeah, and my hobby is playing football. Yeah, that's all about myself. Yeah, yes,
Wow, it's great. You're working in a government part area. Like, whom is motivating you to learn English? Your parents, or your friends, or your colleagues? Anything could you learn from English? Or you motivate yourself and just try English from the online part? Or you take any course? Can you please explain it?
yes, yes. Uh, we have got good opportunity to speak our enhance our speaking power in this Skype app. Yeah, yes, right.
Yeah, I just want to know you learn English, okay? But who motivates you to learn English? Actually, motivator or like anything. It could be your parents, it could be yourself, it could be your colleagues, it could be your friends, anything. Just can you explain it? Just who
Uh,
motivates you? Like,
uh, no self motivate to myself. Okay, uh, when I was in schooling, that time I was not aware of this language, and that time I was not able to speak and read also. And now when I when I get job, then I uh, done my postgraduate. Then when I graduate, yeah, after that I decided that I I was also learn this language, English literature, and I was always speaking this language. I was always watching this YouTube video. So many small kids are also speaking very well, so that's why we set up, and I also doing this practice. Yeah,
wow, it's Great, you learn from online, and me, I also learn from online, but not actually with courses, classes. I just listen to English cartoons, and actually, the funny part is I don't have any target to learn English. Suddenly, I recognize that I'm really learning English actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're in English literature, and English literature have lots of part. And actually, in English literature, you have to know lots of vocabulary, lots of sentences, lots of phrases, lots of idioms. And didn't you feel that English is hard or English is not easy at all?
Uh, English is easy, but when we start our journey, when we uh, get some idea, and when we start our improving our this knowledge, and we want to learn this language, right? And so that's why we have to learn this language, and it is very important in our society. And
Yeah, actually, you have to learn English to communicate with others people, not actually for our environment, for our society. It's just important to grow with other people, international people, just communicate with them and good understanding for them. And actually, I learned English in different angles, different accents. And one of the best part is I love to watch to and listen to English. And one of the best part is I play in English. I change my settings in English. So in that state, I'm still in beginner, still not at advanced or intermediate. And English levels are divided into beginner, intermediate, advanced. So, do you have any question for me?
do you have any environment to learn this language?
Actually, I have this environment. I make this environment. Actually, in my home, I speak in my mother tongue, Bengali sometimes. Also, my parents motivate me. They got me to learn this language. This language is just a communicative language to interact with other people. And actually, they motivate me. They got me. And I also have a little bit environment, but I made this environment by myself, and I'm still making it with English. English settings is just important. When you learn a language, when you learn a skill, you have to turn this as your environment, as your settings of your life. Okay.
Yes. And your parents also speaking this language always. Yeah. Right.
Not always this, sometimes, not always.
But I have no environment, so that's why I was not able to speak very well. Yeah.
Actually, it's not depending to your environment. Actually, you have to make this environment. The environment is not ready for you. I have to just made it. As me, I get good environment because I made it. Could also get good environment if you make it. You're just not making it.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
environment will be not ready for you. You're taking someone like English skills that your parents don't know, friends don't know, your colleagues don't know, so they could disturb you or something. But just keep going, just keep practicing, and make your environment, make your settings with English, and give all the answers in English, make all the questions in English, and do your daily life just think in English. It's just amazing. It sounds very great, and sometimes it sounds me crazy, right?
Yes. Can you suggest me how to create our environment in this language?
Actually, I'm just a little kid. I don't have any suggestion for you. But for my experience, I learned English for 1 year. Then I could practice by myself. But before that, I was just listening and listening. I don't have, a very target. I say you that before. But actually, not actually suggestion. I'm thinking for you as my experience. My experience is whatever you do, you have to do it with confidence, okay? To make your environment, you just need confidence. Like, I could make my environment at first time. Second time, you could do, like, you could set your environment like, this is my table, this is my study table, and I'm gonna do this. You have to brush your teeth, you have to do your daily works, daily routines, actually, daily tasks. So you could do it with your English, and who disturb you, it does not matter. Sometimes many people demotivating by other people, and they don't know what you're doing. After you fulfill your wish, it just be amazing if you're gonna do that by yourself, and they're gonna be proud of you when you done that. Okay.
But you are speaking very well. Yeah, and you are my inspiration. Also, you are younger for me because you speak very well. So you are my inspiration. Also, I can say.
Not actually, because I'm just a kid and I'm still learning. I'm not a teacher. I'm still as a learner. I try to learn every single day. And I may sound like any American people, American accent, but I just try to. Many people say I could listen and I could hear their voice. I could just listen to their voice and understand everything. But I couldn't speak. Actually, this actually means you don't listen properly, you can't speak properly. Actually, that means to our environment, okay? Not actually have to make your environment, as I tell you before. And your English is so, so good. As a beginner, you just stirred up and you just hats up for you because you
Yes,
just
yes.
stirred. You have confidence in your mind, I guess so, because you did it all by yourself. So, could you tell your English journey? How did you start? And you have a YouTube channel too. How did you get the idea of your channel? And could you tell it? Could you explain it?
I have no idea about any YouTube video. I have learned something new for this language. I am improving day by day and become a English fluent speaker. Yeah, and it is not not for earning some money, but I am learning this language. I am running this YouTube channel for learning purpose. Yeah, I am.
Nothing is actually, I think you're learning English that you give feedback to YouTube, and YouTube is just a learning platform because you don't have any purpose for YouTube channel. It's just a little bit bad because you have to learn English from YouTube and give the output in the YouTube because YouTube channel is a great learning platform. When you can learn English, also give output, and these things is just work. I also have a YouTube channel which name is Mehzabin Mowshi, and actually I started my YouTube channel about 2 years ago in class 4, class 5. Now I'm in class 6. Actually, I don't need any subscribers. Just I need to practice English in that platform. I just want to learn English and show it to other people. How could I learn?
I have also no. I have also no need to grow up my subscriber, and I have, I always think that I judge any other person. Yeah, and when I'm getting mistake and comment to this video when I'm getting mistake. Yeah, when I'm doing mistake and I'm correcting my mistake. Yes, judge judging me any other people. So that's why I was creating this YouTube channel. And if we anyone do not judge us, then we are not improving our knowledge. Yes or not?
Yes, it's great. You just speak so right. Actually, you have your confidence in your mind. I appreciate it. And what you have to do is make many, many conversation videos and interact with other people so you can listen and also speak so fluently. And this Skype application do many things for us, and we could connect with each other and practice English too. And actually, this is a great platform to learn English too. Okay.
So many people are connecting this app. So many people are improving their skill in this platform.
So, like, I'm having a conversation with you. I could learn from you, or you could learn from me too. We can share our ideas through it. And actually, this is just an amazing platform, and I got you from your YouTube channel. And your videos are just amazing. I love that. Your goal is just amazing. You speak so confidently, and that thing, I'm sure you'll be able to learn English. And that stage you speak so fluently, so I appreciate it. And actually, anything of a for you that you love to read books about English books or English newspapers about English. Do you learn any source of like English newspapers, English videos, English books? What do you use that, or do you love to read books or not?
I I know anything. I know all things, but I cannot speak this language. I have no, I know everything grammatical knowledge also having okay. But when I talk with any person, yeah, but my uh, uh, mouth is not express my knowledge. So that's why we need my need for environment and this app Skype app giving me opportunity to connect with so many people in our national people national international people, yeah. So I have no
Yeah.
idea. I have no idea. So that's why I was not able to speak very well. But I know grammatical concept. But when I am talking with when I'm talking with any person, then my mind is vast out. Okay. So that's why I was not able to speak.
Actually, it's just amazing because keep trying and grammar help us to read in English, to write English.
Do you know Bengali language?
It's my native language,
I,
mother
I,
tongue.
I, I better know Bengali language. My uncle house is also Calcutta.
I'm just over the moon. I just went bananas at that time. So actually, as I'm telling, grammar is important first for written English, but when it comes to speaking, we don't speak as more. It just came to listening. When you listen a subject, you can talk with that subject because a good listener is a good speaker too. And one of my attitude I want to tell to learn English, tell around confidently, because I recognize in my state, in my country, there are many people who speak confidently English. They think even if she or he tells wrong, but they say it as she is or he is very skilled at English. But if you tell with anxiety with other people, they think it they speak wrong English or these types of things. I recognize. Video is getting long, so we have to end up this video. And actually, it's a nice conversation with you. It's a lovely conversation with you. Just over the moon, actually. So have a great day. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.